Hello, Quizzes lover! Welcome back to Titan Quiz. Today, let's explore cute and colorful squishy dumplings inspired by Mario, Frozen, Pokemon, Sanrio, and more. Every choice brings a new surprise. But not every box is a winner. Some might hide funny traps along the way. Hit like, subscribe, and let's start unboxing. Which mystery squishy box would you pick? No peeking! Poor yellow donut squishy dumpling. It really needs a bath. It's time to choose your favorite emoji squishy. If you're a Mickey Mouse fan, pick one squishy. Would you rather get this moldy squishy dumpling or hit like for a sparkling diamond one? I'm definitely choosing the diamond one. Like button, here I come. Only one rainbow squishy can be yours. Hope you didn't pick number one. The excitement keeps growing with every mystery squishy. Will you find your favorite squishy this time? Which Pokemon squishy dumpling would you pick? Did luck choose your side this time? Trust your instincts. Which hidden squishy would you pick? Think you picked the right one? Let's find out. Remember the positions of these sea animal squishies. Which one appears twice? The answer was the jellyfish. Comment jellyfish if you were correct. Let's get to know you. Tell us your country, favorite squishy color, and birth month in the comments. Ready for some SpongeBob fun? Pick your favorite squishy dumpling. I can't resist the Patrick Squishy Dumpling. I think this cinnamon squishy dumpling is the cutest one yet. Which stinky mystery squishy box would you open? Attention Super Mario fans! Your dream squishies are finally here! The Mario squishy would be my first pick. Mario is hiding behind one of these boxes. Can you spot him? Box number 4 was the winner. Did you guess correctly? Another mystery is about to be revealed. Pick the tiny squishy dumpling you'd love to take home. Do you like this tiny cockroach squishy? Hurry! Make your choice before time runs out. Who knows? Something amazing might be hiding in the one you picked. Is this the squishy that will steal your heart? Aw, the Olaf squishy is covered in dirt. Will your guess lead you to the perfect mystery surprise? Hurry up and pick your favorite Sanrio squishy. Pick one, skip one. My Melody squishy or Keroppi squishy? If My Melody wins your heart, share this video. If Keroppi is your pick, subscribe. Are you lucky enough to find the rare squishy? Can you feel which mystery box has the best surprise? Make your best guess, then reveal your mystery surprise. anything would be better than number 2. A rare mystery could be waiting for you. Which box will you choose? Only one Lego Squishy is different. Which one is it? It's right here. Comment OK if you found it. Catch your favorite Sonic Squishy before time runs out. Why did Miles' tails get so dirty? The reveal is coming, but first, choose your mystery box. Can you find the waffle squishy you've been waiting for? Hey Bluey fans, which squishy will you pick? Think you have perfect timing? Place the squishy dumpling in the right spot. Success! Share how many clicks you needed. Your next amazing surprise is waiting for you. Just pick one. A special surprise is waiting inside. Choose wisely. Poor orange water balloon squishy. It popped and lost all its water. Lock in your choice. No switching. My heart hurts seeing dinosaur number 3 like this. Which secret would you uncover first? Hope your surprise was the one you were hoping for. Now tell us your favorite pick in the comments. That's the end of today's Choose One Squishy Challenge. Which squishy would you take home? Let us know below. Subscribe and choose another Titan quiz video to keep playing. See you in the next video.